This tutorial review will show you how to reduce image MB size in Photoshop. Open the photo, click on image, image size, take this resample image. I'm giving here 1000 pixel and click on this option and select BQ Big Sharper, best for reduction. OK. And here we can see the photo is perfect. I'm gonna saving this photo. Click on this drop down and select high. OK. That's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Tutorial River. See you in the next video.